What would happen if you detonated a nuclear bomb in the Marianas Trench? From space, our planet looks peaceful, endless blue stretching across the Pacific Ocean. Beneath those waves lies the deepest place on Earth, a world darker than night, under pressure strong enough to crush steel. As we descend, sunlight fades and the ocean turns darker, colder. At 1,000 meters, the last rays disappear. This is the midnight zone. Strange glowing life forms drift in silence, thriving under pressure 1,000 times greater than the surface. The deeper we go, the more alien it becomes. Until finally, we reach the bottom of the world. A robotic submarine approaches, carrying a 50-megaton thermonuclear device, one of the most powerful weapons ever built by humans. Designed for destruction in the open air, it's now being lowered into a black abyss of unimaginable density. Sensors confirm the bomb has reached the seabed. A digital voice counts down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In an instant, darkness becomes light. A blinding flash vaporizes everything nearby. Water, rock, and metal fuse under temperatures hotter than the sun. The explosion carves out a massive superheated bubble, crushing and expanding at impossible speed. But in the ocean's deep pressure, that bubble can't last. It collapses violently, sending a shockwave racing through the trench walls. The shockwave rises, pushing billions of tons of water upward. Gigantic columns of bubbles shoot toward the surface, tearing through kilometers of water like an underwater volcano. On the surface, the sea erupts. A vast ring of steam and vapor bursts into the air, rippling across the Pacific in every direction. The ocean absorbs most of the blast, but not all of it. From orbit, the blast would appear as a brief flare of light, a glowing pulse spreading across the Pacific. The energy would distort the atmosphere, create temporary tsunamis, and send shockwaves detectable around the world. But it wouldn't destroy the planet. The ocean is too vast, the pressure too great. Nature would swallow the blast like a giant taking a deep breath, then falling silent again. Within hours, the waves would settle, the vapor would fade, and the Marianas Trench would return to darkness, as if nothing had ever happened. Down there, pressure and silence rule. The ocean hides our greatest mysteries and reminds us of something humbling. Even our most powerful weapons are tiny compared to the forces of Earth.